This is the USB, the minimum camera, the one that I plug in. It doesn't give me any detail. It should say like see how this 16 GB of free at least the detail, but I don't see any detail here. It means that it's still loading, or even if it load, I will receive a what is called message here. It's gonna pop up here. It's gonna say you wanna see this. It says director name is invalid. So this, if I try to open a device which does not exist was specified, so it's not letting me open. If I go here, properties, and then see, there's no information about the device. Nothing, used space 0, free space 0. Like the space itself is like it's nothing. It's just tools. If I try to do some checking or updating, the disk check could not be performed because Windows cannot access this disk. So hardware sharing. See this one? Network path not shared. It's like it's a yeah, as you see, there's nothing, no information, no detail or description under this folder, whatever, this device. Yeah, I tried even if I click here, see USB, eject, and then it is in there, but it's nothing in it. Yep. If I double click, yep, that's the error message that I received. I don't know what else to do. I cannot like run administration because of I don't trust this device. Yep, I think that's it.